Antoinette Portis. Hey, water. Hey, water. I know you. You're all around. Faucet. Sprinkler. You spray up and down. Shower. Hose. You trickle. And gurgle. Stream. River. And rush toward the sea. You cover most of the earth. Salty, surging, and mysterious. Ocean. Sometimes you lie, quiet and calm. Lake. So we can splash and play and yell in you. Pool. I stomp in you and scatter droplets everywhere. Puddle. In the morning, you wink at me from blades of grass. Dewdrop. Sometimes you slide down my cheek without a sound. Tear, rain. Sometimes you roar and pour. Water. Even when you try to fool me, I know you. You blast and huff. You whistle and puff. Steam. You hide in the air and drift. Cloud. You drift in the air and hide the world. Fog. Sometimes you freeze hard as a rock. Ice cube. Iceberg. A rock that floats, or a rock we can skate on. Rink. Sometimes you freeze soft as a feather. Snow. And fancier than lace. But water. I know it's you. Snowflakes. You're hiding in this funny guy, and you're hiding in me too. Snowman. Zoe. Water. You're a part of every living thing. Bird. Bug. Puppy, plant, fish, mushroom. When I'm thirsty, there you are. Glass, bathtub. Hey, water. Thank you.